This picture of a scene of Alice in Wonderland is set in a frame that is skewed. It's not a square, it's not a rectangle, and we call it a parallelogram. We want to find the base length of the picture frame. Even though I called it the area of a parallelogram, I want to find the base length. To find the base length, I will need to know the area of the parallelogram. The feature of a parallelogram is that two of its lines are parallel. The two red lines are parallel. Also, the two blue lines are parallel. And when you spell the word parallel, you can see that the two letters are also parallel, the letter L. And you would have learned that the area of the parallelogram is equal to its base times its height. And this will be the base, and the height is measured from one line to the other. And it needs to be at right angles to the base. In this problem, we want to find the base length. In the formula, the base is in here, in yellow. We know what the area is because it's been given to us, area of 300 centimeters squared, and we also know the height, which is 15 centimeters. So we can plug it into our formula. Area 300, which is equal to the base that we do not know what it is because we're going to find out. And we have to multiply it by 15 because that's the height. Because the base is multiplied by 15, I want to remove that 15. So what I'll do is I'll divide it by 15 because that means that these two both will cancel out. But I will also need to do the same thing on the left-hand side, and I'll need to divide it by 15 here. So 300 divided by 15, 20, and this is now the base. And of course I could write this down as the base is equal to 20. Now we want to know what units it is, and we know we were working in centimeters, so we need to write centimeters. So our base is 20 centimeters long.